How to download Binance Wallet on Android. If you want to download the Binance Wallet application on Android, it's actually quite very simple to do. All you have to do is just make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection, and once you make sure that you're connected to an internet connection, you can simply go ahead and then basically open up your Play Store or whatever else it is. Then over here you can simply search for the Binance application. Once you search for the Binance app, you'll find this app, Binance Buy Bitcoin and Crypto. So all you have to do to install it is to just tap on the install button there. It might take some time depending upon the strength of your internet connection, but regardless of that, it should definitely do the job for you. And just wait till the installation process is complete, and then you can open the app and continue to log into your account. And this way you will be able to download the Binance Wallet app on Android. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.